Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Princess Banigo and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based right here in Lagos. I create content around family, lifestyle, reaction, food vlogs, and any good content that comes my way. So guys, yes, I wanted to talk about a certain tribe of YouTubers in this YouTube space, especially the Nigerian community, who are, I don't know what I should call them, proud, or they got each other's back and they're feeling like, you know, every other YouTubers are less, or I mean like we're not doing well for ourselves. Okay, let's scratch that. That was not what I was going to say. So this is the real deal about this gist. So most other tribes on YouTube, like, you know, the Edo people, you guys know the drama that is always surrounding the Edo people. I'm not saying all the Edos. I said on YouTube or on Facebook. Yes, we know the drama always surrounding them. Most other content creators like the Edo, like other tribes, you see them that most of the times they're always dragging and fighting each other on YouTube. Now, I'm not saying that this tribe that I'm going to talk about, they've not fought each other or they don't fight each other every now and then, or they're all at peace. I'm not saying that, but majority of the time they've got each other's back. Yes, the Igbo tribe, they support each other so much on YouTube, yeah. And like I go even pot goes turn Igbo get finally because my stepdad is Igbo. So let me just be claiming that part of my life. JJJJ from Anambra, Aguleri. Let me just be claiming that part because these Igbo people, you see them, a YouTuber starts and they don't know each other from anywhere. You know, they like probably they even met on social media. I'm not saying the ones that know each other know they deal like Nelo Okeke and family. You guys know that. See the way Nelo Okeke supported our sisters that entered into the business and they're doing well. Now, I'm not saying people like, you know, editorial didn't do the same thing for our family. Yes, they are thriving also. But the amount, the way that Nelo Okeke them carried their self on head. If you guys remember, our sister got monetized in 6 freaking days. 6 flipping days. I think that's one of the fastest, you know, monetization that has happened on YouTube that I'm aware of in recent times. In 6 days, she got monetized because of the way they carried a matter on head and they all supported. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that the Igbo YouTubers support each other a lot, even when they are not family members. The fact that you are Igbo, you see them supporting each other a lot. Unlike some other tribes I know, you see us wanting to fight each other, wanting to be bigger than the other person, wanting to grow faster than the other person. If you grow before the other person, there is nothing wrong with that. If you grow before your neighbor, your friend on YouTube, there is nothing wrong with that. But while you're winning, you're considering lifting up your neighbor, not trying to go higher and then pull your neighbor or your fellow content creator down because you want to be the one that is on top and is shining. That is why I said I should come and talk about this, because in this life we need support. I mean, no man is an island. You see some people who have jackpot out of this country, they have siblings over there, they pull them in. You see some people that are not even related, they just, you know, we need support at the end of the day. You see people that want to do business, you know, someone just decide, oh, what is it you want to do? They support them financially. You see people who are sick and they come out and they share their story, and you see people support them. So on YouTube, what is the problem? Why can't we support each other really? Like, I'm not even talking about sharing video, which I'm going to even come to that right now. But right now, why can't you genuinely watch your fellow neighbors or your fellow content creators video? I understand, I'm not saying spend the whole day on the person's channel, and I'm not saying watch every bit of the person's video, but that one that you're going to watch, if you decide the person is posting thrice or 4 times a week and you decide you're going to watch just 1 or 2, why not watch that video genuinely than, you know, watch it the way you want and then just spoil the average view duration for the person? Well, it's not like when the other people that are coming to watch it also, they watch and spoil it. I mean, they can still spoil it. But I mean, you're a content creator. You know what it means for a content creator, you know, to watch their video in full and support them, you know, with the ads and all. So why not do that? I mean, like, it's not going to kill you. You've clicked on the video already. And if you know you're not going to watch the video, well, I mean, if you're a content creator and your reason of clicking is to support, I mean, just support all the way. But I mean, if it's a random person who just clicks and, you know, you feel like you're not enjoying what you're seeing, it's understandable if you want to click out. But for the content creators who know these things, how important it is for a fellow content creator's video, please support. And I want to say something. If you're going to support a fellow content creator and you're available as at that time when the person's post, please let's try and do it as at that time if you are available. Okay, it is very important because YouTube considers the first 2 hours of every post, to help boost a content creator's content. Okay, so while they post the first 1 hour, 2 hours, if you're available within that time, please support them so that their video can be pushed out more. Okay, it's very, very important for we content creators. Very soon this old talk is going to pass, even on my own part, whereby I really don't mind, for my first 2 hours, because by then I would have grown, which is what I am wishing you also. But before we get to that stage, let's support each other genuinely. Okay, so right now I'm going to talk about the issue of sharing people. You see some people share and they say, I shared you didn't come to tell me thank you. And you see some people share and they don't care. They just share you because they felt like, oh, I just want to share you out. I've truly enjoyed the video. And I sort of feel like I'm in that category. When I really, really enjoy your video, I kind of just share you out because I feel like this video, other people need to see it. And of course, I know it's not every of my content that I create that is amazing. I know that, you don't need to tell me. And I know also, as fellow content creator out there, the content that you create that you feel like, oh, this is bombastic, this is nice, so sharing is not a do or die affair, really, because people might share you and then you still won't even get the views you ought to get on that video. And then there's some videos they won't share at all and the video will just do so well. But I mean, like, if you feel like you really want to support the person, why not? Feel free to share. Now, I'm not saying come and share my video, you must share my video. No, it's not a do or die affair. I really don't give a flipping 2 cents. If you share, I truly appreciate it. And if you don't, I still appreciate you because you still took out your time to watch the video. Now, I wanted to talk about, leaving the shares in the, on your community, when you share to your community. So people say share. When you share this video, that video, like you share like 5 videos back to back, it doesn't yield much result, really. Unlike when you share one video and you leave it for a while so that, people that might come across it and then they can click and watch. Because the more you are sharing, more videos, the more the ones that you've shared previously keep going down and the new ones are staying on top. So I mean, that's why sometimes when I share, I like to just leave your video for a while before I share on that person, so that at least let the purpose of sharing that video serve. Okay, it's not just to share, because people post like tons of videos in a day, and then when you just share all of them like that, most times the video doesn't even yield any result, because as the time you shared that one, nobody has even seen it to click. You shared like 3 more videos, that video has gone down. Now I was saying it in the premiere yesterday that I delete after sharing for a while, which is, I feel like, yes, I should delete. It is my channel. I'm not telling you to do that. And the reason why I do that is because when I have shared that video and I've shared other videos on top, those videos that are down, nobody is seeing them anymore. So yeah, as I was saying, I can't even remember why I stopped, but I mean, let's just support each other genuinely on this platform. Okay, it's important for us to support each other genuinely. Yeah, as I said, I do delete the community shares after a while, because I feel like the ones that are beneath, they are hold and they are still, and like nobody, how many people really goes to your community to check out for videos there? So I don't know if something you guys do or if something you're just hearing about. Let me know in the comment section, because it's something that I do every now and then. And I don't know why people find it out to give a thumbs up. It's not like anyone is going to beat you when you give a thumbs up. Especially when you're a content creator. Please give the video a thumbs up. The video not little sweet like sugar before you thumbs them up. Just give the video a thumbs up, because I feel like it's just a way for YouTube to know that people actually genuinely like this video, So let's just support each other in this new year, I usually do support videos. I guess I'm not going to be attaching anything to my support videos anymore. I'm just going to come and say this is a support video, because I noticed that it didn't get so much attention as I want the last time I did that. So I mean, let's just support each other genuinely to grow in this 2022. We can do it. Okay, we started this much, we can do it. Okay, let's support each other. Let's not be like, let's try and be like the IGBO people and support each other more, instead of being like, my tribe and the other tribes. You guys get what I say, Abby? You get what I mean? Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you agree with the things that I said, let me know in the comment section. And if you feel like you don't agree with it, also let me know in the comment section. It's all good. It's all fine. Thank you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye, guys.